ナマスカーラン、皆さんこんにちは。インド在住クリエイターのマヤです。本日はハイデラバードに来ているんですけれども、なんとスペシャルなゲストの方にお越しいただいています。8月21日、日本公開予定のインド映画未来の主演を務められたテジャー・サジャーさんです。本日はよろしくお願いいたします。
こんにちは。私はインドの俳優のテジャー・サジャーです。よろしくお願いします。
So how are you, sir?
I'm very good. Thank
Good,
you.
good.
Thank you.
Very nice.
And welcome to the sets of Mirai.
Yes.
This is the set where we have shot part 1 of Mirai and we're shooting part 2 also over here.
Wow. 今回なんですけども、事前に質問を共有させていただいたら、なんといくつかの質問を日本語で、回答できるように準備してくださっているということなので、早速、質問をしていきたいと思います。なので今日は英語と日本語の両方で、インタビューを進めていきたいと思います。I heard that you prepared some of the questions in Japanese to answer. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm trying to put in some effort so that all the Japanese audience understand what Mirai is about.
Wow, I'm really excited to ask. So
Thank you.
I'm gonna start with some questions.
Yeah.
一つ目の質問なんですけれども、未来の脚本を初めて読んだときに一番どのようなところが印象に残りましたか？また出演を決めた、理由はどんなところだったんでしょうか？
カーティック監督が未来のストーリーを説明してくれたとき、そのスケール、大きさとこの時のビジョンに驚きました。この映画はアンチャーテッドやミッションインポッシブルのような壮大なアクションがあります。インドの深いルーツや歴史、神話が根底にあります。監督がストーリーを説明してくれたとき、私はすぐに出演したいと伝えました。
撮影で一番大変だったのはどのシーンでしたか？またアクションが本当に素晴らしかったんですけれども、そのために何か準備をしたことはありましたか？
未来にはたくさんのアクションシーンズがあります。そのアクションを見てハラハラドキドキしてもらえるようリアルさにこだわって撮影しました。スタントマンは使ってません。大規模なシーンばかりでアクション撮影をとても大変でした。タイ、ネパールやスリランカでも撮影しました。動いてる電車の上を走ったり、雪の中でも撮影をしました。
For Japanese audience who will be watching Mirai, what is the one thing you hope they pay the most attention to?
There are lots of thrills and action in the film, and also we have told about our Indian itihasas in the film, our Indian mythology, about our Indian mythology, which is the actual history of India, in a very entertaining and exciting way. So that comes in the climax of the film, and I'm sure all the audiences who are going to watch will feel goosebumps while watching the sequence.
Wow, very exciting. I think you have done Hanuman
Yeah.
in before,
Yeah.
which was also about Indian mythology,
Yeah.
and this.
And that also released in Japan.
Yes,
Yeah.
and it was super hit in Japan, and now you released Mirai, which
Yeah.
is also about Indian mythology. So, what is the passion towards those theme? Do you?
See, there is a chance for me to tell something very exciting and also giving knowledge to our new generation kids in India and to the world outside also. So when I have that opportunity of telling our own stories which are deep rooted in our culture, when there is that chance, why would I leave it? So I enjoy doing this, and I take a lot of pride when some 5-year-old or a 7-year-old kids walk up to me and they start talking about how they enjoyed the film, or how they are also following these superheroes and becoming fans of the franchise films. Yeah.
Amazing. It's a very family friendly film as well. It was really
of course.
interesting.
These films, all my films have been very clean films which can be watched with entire family, so they cater to kids also.
Superb. Okay, now I want to know more about your acting career. I heard that you started acting at the age of 2.
Yeah.
Can you explain how it started?
Yeah, I was a child actor, and I've done about more than 50 films when I was young.
Wow.
As a child actor, started off when I was 2.5 years old.
Yeah. But did your parents take you to the audition, or?
No. My first film director has seen me somewhere, and he wanted to cast me in the film, and that's how they have called my parents later, and
Wow.
then convinced them. I come from no film background, and it was just destiny. I can call it destiny.
Do you remember the first job that you did at the age of 2?
No, I was 2.5 years old. Of course, I don't.
I see. So when you realize, so you have been acting your whole life, right? How was it like growing up as a child?
I studied in this school called Hyderabad Public School. A lot of actors also studied in the same school. So it was nothing new in my school.
Okay.
So I didn't have any special treatment growing
Oh, really?
up.
Very interesting. And now you're superhero. What impacted your acting the most? So how did you learn acting? Who
No,
do
it
you?
was a natural process because I've started off when I was 2.5 years old. It just happens to me. I just follow the character. I try to study the character more before we go to the shoot. That I don't practice or anything, but I just try to study few points about the character of where that character is from, how educated is the character, or what the character's age is, and then just behave as the character. That's it. And luckily, I've had one of the best directors in Telugu, in Indian cinema. So they support me a lot.
Wow. Do you think where you are today because of your talent or your hard work? What do you give the credit to?
It's a difficult question, but I would say there are a lot of people who have talent, and also there are a lot of people who work really hard, but everybody cannot make it in the films. I think with talent and hard work, I think there should be a supreme support, God supporting us to have this kind of journey. So I attribute my success to God also as much as I attribute it to my hard work and talent.
Wow, amazing. About your personal life, if you don't want to answer, please do not. So what do you do on your day off?
I hardly take any breaks.
Okay.
I'm either listening to new scripts or watching new movies. And yeah, it's not like I'm working because this is a field that I'm very passionate about. So it doesn't look like a work off or I'm working when I'm doing my work. Yeah. So I enjoy all my days. Yeah.
When was the last time you had a day off? Like not shoot, maybe reading the script at home, but like no.
I seriously don't remember. Because I enjoy this process, no? So even it's like my hobby to watch films, it's like my hobby to read new scripts, whatever is coming my way. So I don't feel like I'm working only when I'm doing that. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other hobby apart from movie related?
Sounds very funny, but not that I can think of.
So you're all devoted and committed
Yeah,
to
mostly.
filmmaking.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So have you been to Japan?
No.
No?
No.
Have
This
you?
will be my first time when the film is releasing.
Yes.
I'll definitely visit Japan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Have you had any Japanese food?
Yeah, I love sushi.
Okay.
But I'm still figuring out how to eat with chopsticks. I eat sushi with my hand, and my friends laugh at me for that. But that's fine.
I hope you can get authentic good sushi in Japan.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Any other things you can think of doing in Japan? Like-
But now my only goal is to take this film to as many audiences as possible in Japan. Everybody should know about this film. So I'm focused on that. And after that, I'll do a proper holiday in Japan.
Yes, I really hope you have a good chill holiday.
Yeah.
Okay, so biryani actually has been a very popular dish in Japan. It's actually trending in Japan.
Oh, is it?
So yes,
Right now?
it is. For the past like half a year,
Oh.
biryani has been picked up on Japanese TV and
so
media.
for all the Japanese audience watching this interview, you guys have to know that biryani has started from our land, from India, and from the place where I am in right now, Hyderabad. So it's usually staple meal for us. Biryani has been like that.
Yeah.
So
Do you have your favorite spot in Hyderabad?
there's not one place. There are
Yeah.
many places that
Okay.
everywhere in Hyderabad you get biryani, and everything has a different kind of flavor and taste to it. Yeah.
So do some tour, biryani tour
Yeah.
in Hyderabad if you come to Hyderabad. Okay, great. This question is from a Indian dance school in Japan. I watched the music video Vibundi and literally I could see the vibe in you and Ritika. From an actor's perspective, what helps you create that emotion while dancing? Many dancers can learn the choreography, but expressing the right emotions is much harder. What's your advice from dancers who want to become better performers, not just better movements?
Just enjoy what you're doing. Don't concentrate on whether you're getting the movement right or not. It's fine. Like you said, 19-20 ka farak. What do you say? How do you say?
19-20 का फर्क है.
Yes. So even if there is 19-20 ka farak, it is fine. But you have to primarily enjoy what you're doing, and that shows on the face.
So don't think too much about the next move and the
Yeah,
choreography.
just enjoy, just sing it out, just enjoy and do it. Yeah.
Great.
Nihon no minasan wa RRR ya Bahubali nado takusan no Telugu eiga wo oen shite kuremasta. Arigato gozaimasu. Konkai no mirai mo tanoshinde moraero to ureshi desu. Eiga kan de oyae shimashou.
未来運命の戦士